Hey, welcome to Five Lakes Garage, the home of random projects. We have lists, we have Jeeps, we have trucks, we have food. You name it, we got it. So help out the channel by just hitting that subscribe button. And if you like the video, go ahead and like it. And if you really like the video, like it and then tell a friend. But stay tuned, enjoy yourself. I'm gonna let you go because I got stuff to do. Hey, welcome back to Five Lakes Garage, and we're not in the garage once again because we are on vacation. If you caught my last video before we set up the van, we are now on vacation. We are in Hilton Head, North Carolina, South Carolina, sorry guys. But fantastic, except for it is mid-July and it is hot as crazy donkeys out here. Today is actually cooled off just a little bit. It's probably in the mid to upper 80s. It's been in the 90s for the most part of the week. But check out the view from the back of my house. All right, so we have a nice pond looking over, it looks like number 10 over on the Oceans course over here at Sea Pines. Been trying to fish out of this pond, haven't caught anything, but except for a bunch of mosquito bites. And you always have to watch out for gators. All right, between the gators, the snakes, and the huge amount of mosquitoes, it's actually not bad. But what we're gonna do today is actually, I'm gonna put you on my forehead and then we're gonna take a little bike ride all the way out to Harbour Town and check out some awesome yachts. And then maybe we'll ride around, do some people searching. I don't know, we'll figure it out. All right, so let's go on out in the front and check out what we're gonna be riding today. All right, now we're in the front of the house. Check out these fine steeds we get to ride. Oh yeah, beach cruiser time. I tried to ride these and I'm not used to having, pedal backwards for the brake and almost ran into a car. Yeah, I should have had the camera rolling for that one. But anyway, I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna go down to Harbour Town and you can check out the trail on the way there. All right, we're off. Let's see if this thing will hold together. It's so tiny. And here is legendary Harbour Town Clubhouse. Alright, as you can tell, we are at Harbour Town Harbor. Now here's some of the rather large boats that they usually keep here at the harbor, and also the lighthouse. And this will be the 18th hole of Harbour Town. Yeah, this is how they roll here in Hilton Head. Every year I've come here, this boat has been here. It's been here for a long time. Never seen anybody on it except for the crew members. So let's hire a crew, keep it clean, and never use it. That's how they roll. Well, that was the harbor. Land of mullets, grandparents, and young grandkids. It's a great place though. It's just too darn hot. I think it's closer to the sun than everywhere else. Anyway, we're gonna go back for some lunch and we'll hit another bike ride before the rain starts again. Alright, hopefully that did not bore you too bad, but if you made it this far, congratulations. So hopefully in the next day or two we'll be doing some more fishing. Hopefully these gators will leave me alone. Also go down the beach, see what's out there, and hopefully catch a fish out there. We'll see. Maybe do some water skiing, maybe do a lot more biking, a lot more swimming. So we'll figure it out. So until then, keep an eye out and we'll make some more videos, and maybe you like it, maybe you don't. Let me know, put it in the comments. Alright, see you guys in a few days. Later.